why SITA decided to participate to the NDC Hackathon, I would say it's because of two reasons. Because it's NDC and because it's an hackathon. NDC is important for airlines and for the air transport industry because it is expected to change the overall commercial activities for the air transport industry. And because it's important for airlines, it's important for SITA, because SITA is owned by the airlines. It's our duty to respond to their need. And an hackathon, because hackathon is about developers, it's about creativity. And what you can always be sure with an hackathon is that you'll be surprised. You'll have amazing people thinking differently, taking the opportunity of having access to APIs, making use of it in a different way, and creating amazing stuff that you will maybe never think about it yourself. For SITA, the NDC journey is having two angles. The first angle is the perspective of the 100 customers that we have using SITA Horizon reservation platform. We have a reservation system that more than 100 companies use, and therefore we are in the process of helping them adapt and be ready for NDC. The second perspective, I would say, is related to our community role as a backbone of collaboration. For decades, SITA has been the backbone of information exchange for the air transport industry, supporting the exchange of electronic data between airlines, travel agents, GDSs, governments, airports, you name any stakeholders of the industry, they use our messaging hubs. So because of NDC being vital to exchange messages between the players, we see natural for us to extend the capability of our messaging hubs as to NDC to remain the backbone of collaboration for the industry. And as such, we have developed our own NDC messaging hub and our own NDC messaging transformation engines. Business travel is governed by rules. It's governed by way of traveling. You book your business travel in a certain way. You go to special path at the airport to go through security, for example. So the business travel as such has a certain level of rigidity. An hackathon like that, I think, gives the opportunity to look at NDC from a different angle, look at what NDC makes available and how you can plug that with any consumer market way of doing business, any consumer market way of consuming APIs, any creative way of traveling that you may find from the young generation or from any other way of doing business in the industry. So it's a unique opportunity to bring the retail practices into the corporate travel world. A standard is vital, and it's great that IATA has defined a standard for NDC. A standard is vital in a sense that it supports and it is interoperability. The last thing you want to do when you start a transformation journey like IATA has initiated with NDC is to start having the early adopters all using different practices and face the point where the industry is moving, but it's moving in silos. You want the industry to move as a network. You want the industry to move as a collective environment. And that's what a standard is bringing. A standard is enabling collaboration and is removing the barrier that may prevent fast adoption. So the IATA NDC standard is a fundamental enabler to fast and easy adoption. At least that's my view.